Cheerio, stop crowing. Hello, everyone. I just woke up, so if I sound a bit tired, I am kind of tired, to be honest. Yeah. And Jared decided to start crowing. Yay. And yeah, looks like the wind and snow has stopped from my last two videos. I look like I don't have any eyebrows. Okay. No eyebrows. From the sun. There's like a lot of snow. Okay, so yeah, there's a lot of snow. Daddy has to shovel the snow out of the chicken coop. Their window's like ice solid. The shed looks okay. So yeah, everything else is okay. Other than yes, Cheerio. Other than Cheerio's chicken coop that we had to take him inside last night. Because I'm pretty sure he would have froze to death. I don't think he would be alive. There's like a lot of snow in his chicken coop too. The other chicken's coop, a lot of snow too. And then I have Cheerio in here with me crowing. Here's our other rooster crowing, so it's great. Today I'm just making a nice little chill 2-minute video because if I go outside, I'm not gonna be alive. I mean, I would freeze to death. Anyways, I think we should have gotten another egg, but maybe too cold to the chickens to lay another egg. We can show you the egg, but nope. Okay, it's turned to a 3-minute video. It's Cheerio. Cheerio wants to say hi. Cheerio, you're too black for the camera. Don't peck at it. Yeah, so that's nice. Anyways, this is what it looks like. My window, you can barely see out of it. Just barely. This is all the damage of snow. Anyways, bye guys. Love you all. Bye.